Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'll be showing you guys different ways that I style my top knot bun. I did go ahead and do my edges off camera because I did not want this video to be extremely long. But if you guys want to see how I do my edges, I have a video on that and I will link it down below in the description box. So I'm going to go in with this Eco Styler gel. I'm just going to use this to lay down my hair and make my ponytail smooth. You guys already know that when I do my high ponytails, I do split my hair in 2 pieces just so that I can get my hair flat because it's so thick. Comment down below if you guys have a hard time like me getting your hair in a ponytail, or if you have a hard time just getting your hair to lay down and look slick, because I don't know about you guys, but when I do my ponytails, it is literally a workout honey.
Baby, don't you hear me now?
So once I get the back half of my ponytail to lay down flat and I merge both of my ponytails together, we're going to go ahead and start on our first top knot bun. I just split my ponytail in 2 pieces and I twist both of them, and then I wrap them around my ponytail different ways and pin it in place to form my top knot bun.
Every night is something new, your touch is not the same. You can be excited, surprised every day. I can't wait for you to put your hands on me, baby. And when we finish making good love, baby. Baby, tonight. I want it. I know you want it too. Put my hands on your body's telling me I gotta handle. We finished making good love. Oh, baby, tonight baby, don't you hear me now?
This second bun is very easy. The only thing that we're gonna do is take our hair and we're gonna wrap it around each other to form a bun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still split my hair in two, but I'm gonna take one section and I'm just gonna wrap it around first, and then I'm gonna pin that in place and then wrap the other half to complete the bun and pin it in place.
What I got and how I got it planned out. Tell me that you want it and you can wait for me to put my hands on you. Boy, you feel the heat of your body and you're waiting for me to get inside it. Ooh, and your body's waiting on me. Yeah. Put my hands on your body's telling me I gotta handle. Tell me where you want it. It's you and me. And when we finish making sweet love, baby, and baby, tonight, baby, put your hands on.
Now for this bun we're about to do now, it's quite similar to the first bun we created, but I do this bun when I want my bun to be tall, like an actual top knot bun. So what I do is I take my ponytail and I twist it, and then I twist it around itself, and then I pin it into place. But I'm gonna make sure that I squish my bun together to make it tall, and then stick my bobby pins where it's needed. Last but not least, which is my favorite bun of them all, I don't know what to call this bun, but this is like a normal bun that everybody wears. I'm going to take a section of my hair and wrap it around my ponytail just to hide my scrunchie, and then I'm going to split my hair in 3 sections, and I'm going to do the first 2 sections and form them like a bow and pin them in place. And then I'm going to take my top section and pin it over what's missing, and then pin everything together so it can form nicely. That completes this video. If you guys like the way that I style my buns, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video ideas or suggestions, or just anything you guys want to see me do down in the comment section. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLave_. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn that post notification bell on so that you can get notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.